Standard 2nd, English, 2nd chapter. One rainy day. Renu wants to go to the park to play. Renu is the name of this girl, and she wants to go out to the park. Suddenly there are clouds in the sky, and it begins to rain. As she wants to go to the park, but suddenly the clouds came and the sky and begins to rain. Raindrops are falling on her window pane. Window pane means this, you can see. So outside that rain are falling. So Renu does not like the rain because she cannot go to the park. उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता कि वो rain आया, because she is not able to go to outside for playing. She look out of the window. वो window के बाहर देखती है. It is raining very hard. She turns to her mother and says, "Mummy, when is the rain going to stop?" She is asking that when this rain will stop, because she wants to go out to play. Soon, my dear. So her mother is replying that as much as early it will stop. But the rain does not stop. She had told that it will stop, but it does not stop. Everything outside is getting wet. The road is wet. The trees are wet. Renu sing softly. Rain, rain, go away. I want to go to the park to play. The rain does not stop. She is singing this, that rain, rain, go away means rain को बोलते हैं कि वो चली जा. I want to go to the park. She wants to go to the park, but the rain does not stop. That way she is singing a song. Renu is very sad. Two big tears roll down her cheeks. She wants to go to play, but the rain does not stop, and because of that she is crying, and the big two tears comes to her down her cheeks. Suddenly she sees something outside. It is small squirrel. It is getting wet. "Mummy," Renu call her mother. Renu sees outside that one squirrel is sitting outside her window. So she is calling to her mother, and after that she comes at once. Renu show her the squirrel. So after that Renu showing that squirrel to her mother. "Oh, she is wet and shivering," Renu's mother say. Then after her mother is telling that she is wet and shivering. Shivering means due to cold she is wet, because of that she is feeling very cold, means shivering. Renu's mother say, she opens the window and pick up the wet squirrel. So after that the Renu pick up that squirrel inside her house. Then she tells Renu, "Go and get a towel." So then she then tell means her mother say to Renu to get a towel, basket and some milk. Renu run to get a towel. Her mother pats the squirrel dry with the towel. So after that, with the help of towel, her mother dry the squirrel, and after that Renu run to fetch a basket. Then after Renu's bring one basket for the squirrel, her mother spread a soft cloth in the basket. So for squirrel, her mother is spreading that cloth in the basket, and she puts that squirrel in that basket. Renu's mother put a few drops of milk in the squirrel's mouth. After that, Renu's mother is putting some 1 to 2 drops of milk in squirrel's mouth. The squirrel licks it. At that time, the squirrel is licking. Licking means it drinking. Mother gives it a little more milk, and again the squirrel licks it. Licks means chatna. The squirrel is not trembling anymore. Now she is okay. Now she is not shivering. She is not trembling. Now slowly she open her eyes. Now slowly the squirrel is opening her eyes. What lovely brown eyes. After that Renu sees that its eyes are brown in color. Renu says with joy. खुश होकर रेनू बोली. She pats the squirrel and says, pats means उसके ऊपर हाथ ऐसे घुमाना. She pats the squirrel and says, "Mummy, she is beautiful squirrel. I want to keep her with me." After that she is asking to her mother that I want this squirrel at our home, so I want to keep this with me. So she is keeping with her. I want to call her Bhigi because she is wet. She is keeping her name Bhigi because when she get that squirrel at that time she is wet. So because of that she is keeping her name as a Bhigi. Her mother says, yes dear, you can keep Bhigi. So her mother is also ready and she is giving permission to her daughter. Daughter means Renu, that you keep the squirrel with you. So Renu is happy, she sings. Now squirrel is with her, so because of that Renu is happy and she sings. I am glad it is raining so much today. I had got this lovely Bhigi to play. I do not want to go to the park today. Means after that the squirrel is with now the squirrel is with Renu. So now she is happy and she don't want to go outside and she wants to play with that Biggie only. And for today only she don't want to go to the park.